Can Corner, and today we're going to be baking cookies. So I will see you guys there.
Yeah.
Okay, what did you just do?
We set our oven to 375
We're not making cookies from scratch. Why?
because we don't have the amount of time.
We don't have that much time. So what kind of cookies are we making?
We are making orange cream.
Okay, go ahead and put that in the bowl. Dump.
I thought I had to like measure it.
Nope.
What?
It's all in there. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Way to go, Katie.
Remember, there's
No,
a
you're not.
stick of butter on the counter. Read the directions and see which one goes in first.
Directions in the box.
And there's butter right there by the frosting. While I clean up my egg.
Combine. For best results, butter should be completely softened or slightly melted to soften butter.
Check. Okay,
crack it.
does it say butter or egg first?
I don't know.
Cookie mix. Okay,
Butter first.
butter first.
How much should I use?
The entire stick.
I got it.
Yeah. Bring your hands under the sink. Okay. All right, now can you just crack your egg without making a mess?
You have
Okay,
room to
let's
talk.
see. You can do it. On here, this is harder. Good job. No shell. Woohoo! Making cookies. Oh, I can help you. Huh? You're fine. Mix it up until it makes a dough. Let's see your muscles. Do you maybe need like a whisk?
Wait. Here's a little guy. I'll have that one after straight.
That works. This isn't working.
That butter wasn't soft enough.
I don't know what to do about it now. Okay, we're gonna get in there with your hands.
You let it sit for 5 minutes and it soften up a lot.
I let it sit out all morning.
Oh, then it's not going to soften up anymore.
Yeah. Okay, you got it. Move out of the way a little bit here. Can you move your... And we'll just use our hands and mix the whole thing. How about that?
Go. You're not getting food.
I want to get in this.
Stop. No. 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 What's going Look at that.
Oh.
It's orange cream. You don't want any.
He disagrees with you.
That look like cookie dough to you?
No.
It is getting there.
It looks like
Does it look like cookie dough to you?
cheese.
Yeah, it kind of does.
It smells delicious.
Cheese cookies.
Yeah.
Aren't you good? Have you ever had breakfast
Kind of
cookies?
smells like my medicine.
They have bacon, sausage, cheese, eggs in them. They're good.
Cat.
And chocolate chip.
Oh, stop. Stop. You really want to look at that's what happened.
Don't get him in here now.
You can't have any.
Okay. Well, our utensils were useless. Yeah. We kind of made a little bit of a mess. That's okay. Orange creamsicle cookies.
Almost fell.
our pan. Oh, oven's ready. Okay. Well, move it. All right, now what do we do? Drop dough by rounded teaspoons onto ungreased cookie sheet. Do we need to use spoons or can we use our hands?
You can use our
Okay, so grab a bowl. Probably need a little bit more than that. Maybe about that size. One.
like this.
Yeah, that's good. Perfect. That's a little big. You know, look at it and you wouldn't go like, oh, that's corn. Making cookies.
Keep doing that, Cambry.
Need a
Look
little-
at the camera.
A little bit more in that one. In that day.
I'm not gonna lie, that was kind of scary.
All right. We got room for one more. I think we may. Can you do that, guy? Here's some more. All right. I swear these I'm gonna beat him. All right.
Oh, I forgot to dump the goat on the battery. But
It's okay.
Oh yeah.
All right. Now we'll bake them for 8 to 10 minutes. Probably a little bit less. I like mine chewy. You like chewy or crunchy cookies? Chewy. All right. And then we'll let them cool, and then we'll see you back here for frosting. So what's your favorite part about baking cookies, Bud?
eating it.
Word up.
What's your first part of eating it for you?
The best part of eating it?
I mean, about the cookies.
Oh, I don't know.
About baking it.
Hanging out with you.
Oh, wait.
Look at that. That's a pretty cookie. Who wouldn't want to eat that cookie?
Look at mine. It looks like a.
It does not. I think you should use just a little bit more frosting, and don't try to make it perfect. It's supposed to be not perfect. Oh, that's a lot.
Is that the motto of your community college?
No. See, look at that. That's a good looking cookie. Oh, you better sprinkle them. What color? What do you put them on your plate before you sprinkle? See, he thinks he's getting stuff. There's nothing out here. Okay. Oh, here, let me get you one. Here you go, Beck.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So sticky.
It's all sticky. All sticky.
Beautiful. All right. Should we do some big ones?
Ugh.
You're not gonna like do all of it, are you? Get out of here! Ooh.
I planned on it. You want me to?
No.
Okay.
It literally looks like I'm spreading cheese on this cookie.
Yeah, it's
Pimento
very.
cheese.
The color is very.
Cheesy?
Yeah.
Mm.
Very misleading.
Look at that rhymes. Cheesy and misleading. Misleading.
Misleady.
I don't know what I'm saying.
Cookies. No. Here's our cookies. You did a good job. They're good. And we're gonna eat them now. Should we try some? 1, 2, 3, go. They're really good. Mm-hmm. Well, we had adventures in baking. What are we gonna do next time?
What do you think?
I don't know. You better like and subscribe. See you next time.
Bye. I can't.
Bye.